Hi, welcome to ASVAB practice test lesson 1 about mechanical comprehension. So here today's first problem is here. A car engine crankshaft is rotating at 1200 rpm. If the car is in neutral and you push the car by hand, the car's wheel will rotate. How does the crankshaft speed compare to the wheel's speed? So here first one is the crankshaft rotates faster than the wheel. Second is crankshaft rotates slower than the wheel. So here you have already got the answer. Here actually I have write down the answer, but the crankshaft is like here and here. So wheel is connected with the crankshaft, which is connect with the two wheels of the car. So crankshaft diameter is less than the wheel. So crankshaft will rotate faster than the wheel. So now come to another problem. So which of the following tools is used? Tighten bolt. So here wrench. So it's a bolt. So we need to use the wrench like this way. So we need to use the wrench to tight the bolt, any kinds of things like that. So now come to another problem. A lever has fulcrum located between the effort and the load. What class of lever is this? First class lever, obviously. So what is the things like here is the thing. It's a pulley, and here is the load like is the load like this. So here is the load like this. So when we pull it down, the load will up. So here is the first class lever we are using only this way. Only using a single wheel, we are using the first class lever. So now come to another problem. A pulley system has 3 pulleys and you apply 10 pounds force to lift a load. How much force is required if you use 6 pulleys instead? So here the pulley system has 3 pulleys. So you apply to lift up 10 pounds. So it's a 6 pulleys. So 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. So 10 divided by 2 equals to 5 pound. So here the answer will be 5 pound. Now come to another problem is here. A hammer strikes a nail with a force of 100 Newton. The nail moves 0.5 meter into wood. What is the work done by the hammer? So W here, work done. So W equal to F times X. So X is the movement or the distance the object is moving. So here the X is 0.5 meter and the force is 100 Newton. So we need to multiply with 100 times 0.5. So 100 times 0.5 equals to 50. So here the work done is 50 joules. So here answer will be option A. Now come to another problem. In a hydraulic system, a small piston with a diameter of 0.1 meter is used to lift a large piston with a diameter of 1 meter. If a force of 100 Newton is applied to the small piston, how much force will the large piston exert? So basically here how much force the large piston exert. So here you can see it's a diameter. So here F is small and by A is small. So basically we are using P equal to, we need to find out the power. So here P equal to F over A. So here P small equals to, F small over A small, F large over A large. So here you can see, so a equals pi r square. Here we have the value of r for the piston diameter. It's a small one, is 0.1 meter. So here for a small equals to pi times 0.1 square. So here we will get like this way, 0.3, the value of pi will be 3.1416. so here you can see times 0.001. so now we need to multiply like this way. So here just forget about. So here we need to find out the large piston value. So here FL, the force exert, FL equals to Fs over As times AL. So here Fs equals to 100 Newton times here AL. So pi and pi, here pi r L square and pi r S square. It's the radius of large piston and radius of small piston. So pi and pi cut off, and here r will be here. So it's a root, so we can root over the both cases. So like 100 Newton. So here we can pull up the root, like, so we can write down like RL over RS. So RL over RS means the 1 over 0.1. So it will give me 10. So 100 Newton times 10 Newton equals to 1000 Newton. Okay, just simple things. Just we need to solve this problem, and I have solved this problem over the video lecture. So things, this one, like the answer is 1000 Newton. So now come to another problem. Is here, which type of simple machine is pair of scissors? So here pair of levers is lever. So now come to another problem. So here a gear with 12 teeth meshes with a gear that has 36 teeth. If the first gear is turned once, how many times will the second gear turn? So here 36 divided by 12, it will give me 3 times. The answer will be 3. Sorry, so it's a wrong answer I have given. So like we need to write down like this way, 12 over 36. So 12 over 36 means 1 over 3. The answer will be 1 over 3. Option A. Sorry for the mistake. And come to another problem. Is here, if a block is pushed up inclined with a 30-degree angle, how will the force is required to move block being pushed on a flat surface? Okay, so here actually the things is like here 30-degree angle, and here we need to push a block. So how will the force to move the block compared to block being pushed on a flat surface? On a flat surface, here just post these things. So the force will be greater than inclined. The force will be same. The force will be less on the incline. No, the force will be greater on the incline. So here's the answer of B. So now come to the another problem. This is the last problem for this tutorial. Which of the following device would be classified as a mechanical advantage device? So mechanical advantage device is a fuse jack. So this is the things. So hope this video will be helpful for your mechanical comprehension knowledge. Here I have just selected some theoretical questions and some mathematical questions, and again I will share with you 4 or 5 videos on the mechanical comprehension. Let's feel free to ask me any questions. Hope you like this video. If you like, and if this will be helpful for your test prep, so just like and subscribe. Thank you for this video. Thanks for watching this video.